guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Janlyn again, and I hope you have a fantastic day or night wherever you are in the world. And in this video, I'm going to do another unboxing of the plant that I bought online. And it's from the same shop that I bought the Peperomia last Monday. It's the House of Kojo. And I know, you're going to tell me it's another unboxing. What? Yeah, but it's like, I can't help it, guys. It's so pretty. I have to buy it. And I must have exceeded my limit on buying plants for this month, at least. And I know it's like I already bought a lot of plants and a lot of plants. And only for this month. It's only the 15th of January. But anyway, we love plants. We can't help it. And probably I'll stop buying plants for now. Maybe, crossing my fingers, maybe until spring. But for now, we're going to do another unboxing. Hey! So let's do this, guys. So we're going to open these, guys. Let's cut the tape. And I didn't mention in my intro earlier that I was so pleased with how quick they delivered the plants. It's like I've just ordered it yesterday and it got delivered today. And how fast is that, isn't it? Like normally you have to wait for like maybe at least 2 days before it gets delivered, but this is so quick. So this is it. And as usual, like what I've got on my first delivery, they got their thank you card from House of Kojo. It says, "Thank you so much for your order. For care instructions and information on your plants, please visit our website, and I'll put the link on my description box, guys, so that you can buy plants from their shop." And this is it. This is the front of the card. So there you go. And they have this shipping warmer as well. So it's excellent for shipping live insects, reptiles, tropical fish, and flowers. So there you go. And it's only from them that I have seen something like this. And we got our peanut pellets again. And here you go, guys. We're going to pull it out. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. This is my plant, guys. And let's open this. Okay. Have to be careful not to damage the plant. Because from what I've read, this plant is quite delicate. So there you go. Wrapping it. And take it out. And there you go, guys. It's the what do you call this again? It's the string of turtles. I'm sorry, I forgot what's the name of this. And there you go. So can you see, guys? It's just so pretty. And I'll let you see closer. The one where you can see the leaves that looks like the back of the turtle. So it's like small turtles are there hanging from the pot, and we need to untangle it so that it will be hanging from the pot. So let me show you closer. Can you see that? Isn't it pretty, guys? I love it. So when I look at the House of Kojo's website, I was looking for a trailing plant that I can put here in my ladder shelf. And we normally find string of hearts or string of pearls anywhere, but the string of turtle is quite rare. So I said, well, let me just get the string of turtles. And oh dear, like what I said, it's quite delicate, so I have to untangle it gently because the leaves are falling. But like with my peperomia, I can propagate it from the leaves, so that is fine. And there you go, guys. Isn't it pretty? I love it. It's like, it's a soft succulent. There you go. And I bought another one here, and it's under all the pellets. Oh dear, I have to pour it out here in the living room, and I have to pull out. This one is underneath everything. Okay, there you go. And I bought this beautiful pot from House of Kojo, and look at this, guys. It's just so beautiful. I love the teal color, and it's like beige at the top. Isn't it pretty? It's so cute. And I can put some of my plant here, or I think this would be too small to put inside, so we'll find another pot for this. And that's it, guys. These are my plant and pot haul from House of Kojo. So thank you for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I hope to see you again soon on my next video. So thank you again, guys, for watching. Happy gardening!